Okay, so I've been using this Cuisinart cherry wood pellets lately. See, I got my pellet smoker behind me. We just cooked some chicken last night. I'm going to show you a video of that after this intro. But I just wanted to say, these taste great. They burn super hot. I was able to turn it up to like 450 degrees at one point, just to kind of see if they would get up there, and it did it just fine. When I turned it back down, it dropped back down. I cut the vents on it, and the flame shut off, because these will create flame. Even though there's no flame present in the smoker, they will create flame if you turn it up high enough. But they taste great. They made my chicken taste great, and I like them. So here's a video of us cooking some chicken. We got our cherry pellets. See my tongs, nice and strong, no bending or anything like that, so that's great. So I hate when that happens. So I'm loving the grill set so far. We're gonna see you whenever they're done. All right, so this is the chicken after we cooked with the cherry wood pellets. Christy's gonna taste it now and see what she thinks.
Pretty good.
Pretty good. That's good enough for me. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.